Hello, viewers, and welcome to part 2 of Let Us Calculate Speed and Time. And thank you to my great helper over here. As you remember, we have a car that goes 60 kilometers each direction. Coming back, he went 5 kilometers faster, and therefore his time is 1 kilometer less. And we let x be the speed going there, and we let y plus 1 be his return time. And as we did in part 1, we said speed is distance over time. Therefore, x is 60 over y plus 1, and x plus 5 equals 60 over y. That's what I did in part 1. And I isolated y. If speed is distance over time, that means distance over speed is distance over time. That means distance over speed is time. I can mix that around and say 60 divided by x is y plus 1. Brought that one to the other side. So y is isolated in both these equations over here. And as from these two, I isolated the y's. And given that y equals 60 over x minus 1 and y equals 60 divided by x plus 5, I can say 60 over x minus 1 equals 60 divided by x plus 5. And now we solve for x. I want to say goodbye to the denominators, so I'll multiply through by x and x plus 5. So if we multiply that by x times x plus 5, that x will disappear. We're left with 60 times x plus 5. We've got minus x times x plus 5. And multiply that by x times x plus 5. We say goodbye to the x plus 5, and we're left with 60x. We multiply out the brackets. We've got 60x times 300. That's 60 times 5 minus x squared minus 5x equals 60x. There's an equal sign. What I do to one side, I do to the other. So I subtract 60x from each side. And I'm left with 300 minus x squared minus 5x equals 0. And we can multiply through by minus 1. And we get x squared plus 5x minus 300 equals 0. And one way to solve it is by factoring. Or we can use the quadratic formula, where a is 1, b is 5, and c is minus 300. That's to solve for a quadratic equation. And we know that from that formula, x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, where c is minus 300. And minus 4 times 1 times minus 300 is plus 1200. Plus 25 is 1225. We've got minus 5 plus or minus the root of 1225, all divided by 2. The root of 1225 is 35. And we want the positive value because x is a positive number. Minus 5 plus 35 is 30 divided by 2. And part of that 2 has been cut off. There's a 2 underneath. So 30 divided by 2 is 15. X is 15. And I'm going to take this equation. If x is 15, I substitute in over there. And y is equal to 60 over 15 plus 5. 16 divided by 20 is 3. So if x equals 15, that means the speed coming back 15 plus 5 would be 20. And if y is equal to 3, that means that time is 3 plus 1, which is 4. That's the time going there. So there's the summary. The speed going there is 15 kilometers per hour. Time going is 4 hours. Speed returning is 20 kilometers an hour. Time returning is 3 hours. And thank you all for watching.